The van is my second home. I'm in and out of it all day, every day, service call to service call. We really want to make our van work for us. So if we're efficient in how clean and how tidy and organized everything is back there, it saves us time, it saves the customer time, it saves the company time, which saves everybody money. We're in Tacoma, Washington. I work for McDonald Miller Facility Solutions, and we just service anything heating, cooling, electrical, plumbing, anything mechanical we do.
Every contractor in the field knows if you're doing multiple jobs, you're going to the van multiple times. If I know exactly where everything's at, it saves me time, saves me hassle, saves me trips.
If you don't have a good bin system, if your van is not organized, you end up throwing everything on the ground. Because a lot of times stuff won't fit because you already have other clutter in those bins. So when you're on call, well, good luck trying to find it when you need it the most. This is what happens when stuff doesn't fit in the bins. It kind of just falls over, creates a mess, creates kind of a safety hazard to get back. Ideal world, I want to have a section where I just have packouts where they clip in, clip out, everything's labeled. I just want to be able to grab things as I go, make it easy, and then most importantly, put things away in the right place so that way on my next call, I'm just as productive, just as efficient.
Different weeks, different days, we're doing different jobs or projects. So I know if I need electrical project, plumbing project, or HVAC, I can set up and customize how much space and how many packets I need to fit. I can go from one job to the next and have all the tools and materials I need inside my van, organized and ready to go. You're using the PACKOUT the right way and efficiently. Everything is in the right place at the right time.
Rather than having a single long shelf with multiple small bins that don't close, aren't able to pull out of the shelving rack. The new Milwaukee PACKOUTs, we have multiple racks. You have labeled, organized bins. You toss them into the locking racks, and then you're able to just drive off. So we're no longer spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just for downtime of a technician. They're able to put their material in and head to the job site and be able to assist customers with their urgencies and their issues.
When you can have PACKOUTs labeled into a rack system, I know I can just pull that rack out, throw them on a roller, connect them on there, they click right in, and I can have everything I need up on the roof for the right job at the right time.
What are you using now and how does it suit your team? What's your downtime? What's your lead time? When your driver gets to a customer, how long does it take them to grab their material? Well, Milwaukee is going to be able to assist with that. Your downtimes are going to be cut. Your organizational needs are going to be exceeding your expectations. They're going to be able to grab material, organize your material much quicker. Once we open those rear doors, our big billboard of a van, Mac Miller, every customer, every person that walks by is able to see what's inside. So having this new Milwaukee outfit, being able to have a clean, tight, organized van shows that we are ready to show up for a job, organized to be able to do a job efficiently, and also letting the customer know that our techs have what we need to keep customers satisfied.